how to hide content from the lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung and any other Samsung S25 series. By default, show the notification on the top of the status bar or a lock screen on a device. If you want to hide your personal information or hide important app notification, open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to notifications. Here you can see notification. Tap on it. Tap the lock screen notification. Now by default you can see enable the notification and show the icon on the notification. If you want to select dot, you can see the dot on the notification icons. Also select the card, so you can see the only card when you receive notification on your device. Also you can see the by default show the all content on your device. So tap on the setting gear icon. Here you need to toggle on or off the option you want to show or hide notification on your Samsung device. So toggle on or toggle off the option to enable or disable notification for specific app on your device. If you want to hide content, select the hide content to hide the notification from the lock screen on your Samsung device. Also enable or disable show alerting notification only feature. If you want to turn off lock screen notification, just toggle off it to turn off the lock screen notification on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. That's it. Like it, share it.